Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR suction cups. Comes with a nice case. Got our instructions. Actually comes with some gloves, which is actually a good thing if you're going to be handling glass. And here is the suction cup. Yeah, that's cool. So we actually have a little rag that we can use to wipe down the glass too. So the thing I really like about this is this ridged material on here. So instead of the suction cup just kind of pulling in the center, it's actually going to pull around the entire area of the suction cup. And because this is going to be pressing on the glass at each point, it's going to more evenly distribute the pressure across that glass. So you don't have to worry about just like pulling in the center. So this is a well-designed cup. The way we pressurize it, we just pull this plunger, and that will suck the air out. And then if we want to release, we press in on this button. It has a nice strong spring on it as well. So if you're going to be doing this, the most important thing is you want to have it nice and clean. Yep. Easy. Drop the suction cup. Let's give it 4 squeezes. And we have got pressure. Want to release? You can hear the pressure come out. And if you're having a hard time getting this to pull up, we got a little tab right here, so you can use that to pull the suction cup up as well. Very cool. So yeah, that is an awesome suction cup.